Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing good. I've been doing so much cleaning and tidying up and stuff that my skin got a bit thin and was peeling off, so I put this plaster on. But other than that, can't complain really. I'm a week behind with my savings challenges, but the money's there. I will be accountable for it the next time round I do another video. But this is the second week of October this money is, and there should be 140 here. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. As I said, I hope you're doing well. I've been doing some crafting and just trying to be at peace with myself, you know, not rushing around and going sort of frantic with everything. I've just been sort of taking my time. But anyway, we'll start with the October, and I've coloured it in. Each pumpkin is £5, so we've got £15 there. I'll just help myself to £15. And also we've got the 52-week challenge. I've also coloured that in, and that is getting £30 today. Coloured the two 15s. Emergency is not getting anything. You know how I'm working with the emergency. I'm just leaving it for a while, stuffing the other envelopes, and whatever I've completed I'll put it into the Save 2023 in 2023. Right, what do we have here now? We've got the autumn leaves. I coloured those in as well, and each leaf is £5, so I've done 3, so that's £15. Just to make things a lot more easier. I mean, it's been hectic as it is, so just to make things a little bit easier, I just thought I'm completing the puzzle. I've coloured that in, and I did those two the last time I did my savings challenges, which was week before last, because remember I do the challenges on rotation, alternate weeks. So this one is getting 10 today, and we're finishing that one. So that's good. And then I will start on the £80 one. This one's a £40 one. I'll start on the £80 one the next time it's the next time I use this binder. I stuff this binder. And then we got the £100 rainy day fund. I've coloured the boots in already. There we have it. Each boot is £5, so I've done a pair, and that's 10. We get that in there. And my £5 challenge, I've coloured that in as well with the orange, and that's getting £20 today. I just thought I'd sit and colour them in while I'm having a cup of tea, and it worked out very, very well. All right, so we've got now the 100 envelope challenge, and I have got the dice, and as you know, I roll the dice, whatever it lands on, I count the envelopes, and then I'll take out what the dice has rolled on and stuff it. So we've got 8 here, count 8, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's £20. Okay, we'll leave that one there and we'll roll again. And we've got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oops, 9, and that is another 20, and we have 20 here, 5, 10, 15, 20. Great, great, I love it. And these ones go to the back. I've got the divider that's divided them. All the ones that I've stuffed so far. Looking good, looking good. All right, so that is the end of, I think in the next couple of days I will come back to stuff the dice extravaganza the next time round to do. If you did like this video, I really would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.